Winter Reconnect Order is issued annually by the PUCO prior to each winter heating season. The Winter Reconnect Order allows customers who have been disconnected or are facing disconnection the opportunity to pay a maximum of $175 to restore or maintain utility service. All PUCO regulated utility companies offer the Winter Reconnect Order. The Winter Reconnect Order is available from mid-October through April 15th annually, but may be extended as needed. Unlike the energy assistance programs, there is no income requirement. Anyone, regardless of income level, may utilize the Winter Reconnect Order. The Winter Reconnect Order can be used one time per utility during the effective dates. Customers who utilize the Winter Reconnect Order must enroll in an extended payment plan, which will help to maintain utility service. Customers who have been disconnected may be required to pay a reconnect fee up to $36 to restore their utility service. If the utility company has a reconnect fee of more than $36, the remaining amount will be added to the next month's utility bill. For more information on any of these programs, please contact the PUCO.